So you just bought a Scooch mag mount? Here's everything you need to know to get started. In the box, you'll find the mag mount, cleaning wipes, an extra adhesive, and a steel ring. The mag mount's adhesive sticks best to perfectly flat, shiny pieces of plastic on your dash. Do not apply the mag mount to textured or leather surfaces because it will likely not stick as well. Wipe off the flat plastic surface with the wet wipe and then the dry wipe to make sure the surface is free of any dust or residue. Then, peel the adhesive and stick the mag mount onto your dash. Apply pressure for about 15 seconds to let the adhesive work its magic. All done! The mag mount works natively with the Scooch mag case. Just put the case on your phone, hold it up to the mag mount, and they'll magnetize together. For any other case, you can use the included steel ring. Just peel off the adhesive and stick it to the back of your case in the center. It's super strong. Your phone isn't going to fall off. If you ever want to move the mag mount to a new spot in your car, or if you get a new car, here's how to remove the mag mount. Don't just pull on the mag mount. This will likely damage your car's dash. Use a credit card or dental floss to loosen the adhesive. Then, peel off the used adhesive and apply the extra adhesive that was included. We hope you enjoy using your mag mount.